Hello everybody, Vicky here. Miss Jackie Russell is my channel and my nickname, and I am here to show you Grove. And yeah, I'm trying to use my real name after 5 years more than normal so that y'all don't get so confused. But I really do love going by Miss Jackie, just in case you wanted to know. But on here they know me as only Vicky, and they say fresh start, Vicky. That's right, it's a Grove. It's a it's a Grove collaborative. This home loves the planet, and you're a force of nature. And you know, we don't use a lot of plastic through Grove, and for like 4 or 5 years, which I can't believe it, but by 2025 they were supposed to be plastic free, and a lot of their products is plastic free, let me tell you. But we're going to open this up. I get this once a month, or sometimes there's a longer period, but I needed a couple of things in here, so I ordered sooner. And Grove has started up a new Greens Rewards, and so everybody gets rewards. You get more rewards if you're a VIP like I am, and you pay $29.99 a year for that, but you get free shipping no matter how much you order. If your order's over $29, which is not hard to do because they have so many things, so many vegan and healthy and environmental clean products for your home, and clean products for your face and body, for your kids, for your dogs, for your cats. They just have so much, and you can get a percentage. Like I think I get 4 to 6% buyback rewards. And I think if you're not a member, you might get like 1 to 3. I'm not real sure exactly on all of that. I just know that they're doing it. And if you're VIP, you get 7 gifts a year, including a birthday gift, and you get many other promo gifts free. So let's see what I have here. I do want to mention I have a link because they've started up the referral program again. And I'll leave that referral link down there. You do have to purchase $75 in order to get 25% off. But that'll get you on your first order, and you'll probably get many things free. And be sure and look up free samples or deals, because you can add those to your cart for free. And you will get free shipping too, because it'll be over $69. That's something else they've added for people that are not members of the VIP program. And if you do use my link, please let me know, because they give me $15 to use on my next order. And I would so appreciate it, and it'd be a great way to help support my channel. But the main thing is you would get 25% off your first order of $75. Now let's see what I have here. We got our wrapping paper, and I do have a VIP gift in here, and I'll have to tell you all about it. I'm pulling out some paper here, which they're advertising Smalls fresh protein rich food that makes your cat purr, and you can get 60% off. So this helps your cats live longer and healthier. So you can snapshot that for information. Mary Catherine might be interested in that. Now Mary Catherine gets Grove too, so go over and check her out, because she gets different things than me. And you can see other things that you can get from this huge store. It's just amazing. Now, one of the things I get is the Twin Pack Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Toothpaste. And it crushes tartar, and it's environmentally friendly. It's natural peppermint, and I use this all the time. It's fluoride-free toothpaste. And a double pack costs like $9.99. So that's like $5 a piece, and that's a good price, because usually they're about $6 in the stores. And you can find Hello at Dollar General and also at Target, and probably Walmart too. And let's see here. The next item I have is a Method. Now this was $7.99 when I got it, and they tape down your lids, because do y'all remember one time I had one shattered? not shattered, but the whole thing had leaked. And it had evaporated by the time it got here. My box smelled so good, but I had 0 fabric softener. This is my favorite one. It's beach sage. It is all natural with plant-based softening power. It scents, softens, and reduces static cling. 45 loads, and it's HE for all washers. So I really like this, and you can tell on the back they've got more information, that it feels so soft, smells so good, and tells you more what it does there, which I pretty much just said. But like I said, it's my favorite. I got this much left, so I had to buy that, and I had to buy my detergent. And I also get the Method detergent, and I get it in the beach sage. And you get 66 loads, I think, out of this one. Let me get the information. Let me get the tape off of me. I'm getting all sticky here with tape. Oh my goodness. Yes, you get 66 loads. And again, it's plant-based lifting power. It's powerful stain lifter, brightener, colors and whites, fragrance that lasts. And guys, I've been using this for over 5 or 6 years. Ever since before I had my channel, I was using Grove. So it's a great product, and I love that I can pick and choose. It's a subscription, but you don't have to ship if you don't want to. You can add to it, you can take away. You do save more money when you have it on subscription, but you can change it like to every 3 months or every 6 months, depending on how you use it. Now, the next thing that I have that I bought for $5.99 was they had If You Care parchment baking sheets. And I thought that was so cool because I use this when I'm baking, or wax paper, because I don't want it sticking onto my pans. And then they had this for $5.99, so I picked me up a box of that. And I like the fact that they're in sheets. It's 24 pre-cut sheets, so now I don't have to sit there and try to measure it out. It's already measured for me, and that's wonderful. My next thing is I got a few free samples, and I had a lot more in my cart. And I will tell you, when you're getting the free samples, you can put them in your cart and you'll get every single one of them that you put in your cart at that time. But if you do like me, sometimes I'll just throw stuff in my cart and I'll keep it there till I'm ready to ship, and I'll add what I need until I'm ready. And you can do that. You can change your dates on shipping and everything. But I got the Up Circle eye cream. I got the Up Circle shampoo, and it says cream, coconut and rosemary oil. I bet that's good. And I got the Up Circle conditioner. These are all clean products. It says wheat and soy protein, so that must be something that's good for your hair. And then I got the Dirty Labs, and this is a 2-in-1 bioenzyme for your dishwasher detergent. So you can add that in there and probably get a cleaner and brighter, booster for your dishes to be cleaner, and or for your glasses and all that to not have any film or anything on it. So those were my free samples. Now my VIP, I got a little story. My VIP I picked in December because that's when they offered it. I didn't ship mine in December because when they offered the VIPs, I had just shipped my shipment. So when they came out with that, I put in my choice. Well, in January, they kept telling me that my choice was on back order and back order and back order. And then I looked for it and it was available. So I contacted Grove and I told them, I said, I didn't get my VIP and it keeps telling me that it's on back order and not available. And she said, well, that was for last year in December and now it's not there. She goes, and there's nothing I can do because they've switched over to this new system. She goes, but what I can do is give you $10. Okay, well, this was my choice. The Silicone Grove Company oven mitt. And that's what I wanted. It kind of looks like it's got a blue genie type feel here. And then this is all silicone. And I'm going to put my hand in here. Oh, that's great. You can grip well with it, and it's on either side, so no matter which hand you have it on. And it was $10.19 or 30 cents or something. So, I mean, what did I do? I paid 19 or 34 cents, but I had a $10 credit. Plus, I had a $5 credit because you remember my coconut oil was busted in my last order, and they had to resend me and replace it. They not only replaced it, which is a $24.99 value, but they also gave me a $5 credit for the inconvenience. So Grove is a wonderful company, and I highly recommend them. And if you use my link and you decide to try some of their products, I think you'll really like them too. And the convenience, because you don't have to lug around all this heavy stuff. It comes right to your door. And then you get free gifts, something practical that you can use. Right now, our VIP is going to be vitamins. Yeah, by New Chapter and Hoova or something. I don't remember the other name. But New Chapter is a great all organic type vitamin, and we get a choice of one of those. So, and those are in the $30 range. So the free gifts can range from $10 to $30, even down to $5. But the point is, it's your choice, and they give you a choice of them, and you get them 7 times a year. So, I mean, for your $29.99, if you count my shipping, which would have been $6.99, and $10 for this, that's $16. So I've already got half of my shipping paid for with free products, so to speak, if that makes any sense. Plus, I got the $5 credit because they messed up. So now I've even made more money, so to speak, with my $29.99. So to me, it's a great investment and worth the buy. So go check it out. Let me know what you think. And again, these are my favorite laundry detergents. I also use their sheets, but I didn't need any of those. I just bought what I needed, and I use just about every cleaning product I have in the house is from Grove. So they're good products, and I like that I can get it when I need it, and I don't have to lug all that heavy stuff around. And I wanted to mention before I leave, if you didn't notice, I have on FabFitFun sweater. It's that gray sweater that buttons up. And then I had gotten a scarf that's in that dark maroon for free in one of their boxes that they sent me by accident. So I put that together. So I just wanted to point that out, that the maroon and the gray goes good together. It's cold here in Texas for a change, and it won't last long, but it is for now. And that's all I have for this Grove order. Be sure and let me know if you have any questions. And if you use my link, I would really like to know. And don't forget to share or hype me. Give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already and you've made it this far. But as for today in this Grove Collaborative, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye, my friends. I love each and every one of you.